Hi, and welcome to today's webinar. With the new SharePoint Online document integration, all documents and emails you write or archive from SuperOffice will be stored in your SharePoint Online repository. And this means that you only need one system to manage your documents. And people won't lose track of where something is and waste time finding important information. And in this presentation, we will show you how to get started with the integration and how everyone in your company can access these documents, even those who do not use SuperOffice. My name is Jeanette, and I work with the customer experience team here at SuperOffice, and my goal is to show you how you can use CRM to build relationships across the entire customer journey and deliver great customer experiences. If you have any questions on how to get started with your processes or CRM strategy, you can send us a message directly by email, on social media, or you can reach out on our website. And if you want to see the presentation again, it will also be uploaded to our YouTube channel, where you will find more tips and inspiration. Now let's take a look at the agenda for today. We will start with a short introduction to SuperOffice 10 and the new features. Then we will talk about why document management is an important feature and the difference between managing your documents in SuperOffice and in SharePoint. Then we'll continue by diving into what's new with the SharePoint integration and how you can benefit from it. And of course, we will show you a demo of how it works and how to set it up. And at the end, we will give you some more detailed information on what you need to get started with the integration. And as you know, we just launched SuperOffice 10, our latest version. And it offers even more tools and features to help you customize your CRM solution and build stronger customer relationships. Now we'll take a quick look at what's new before we jump in and show you how to get started with the integration. And the first one is Advanced Dashboards. And this feature helps you to make smarter fact-based business decisions by creating customizable charts that use a variety of CRM data. Another important new feature is the ability to configure the layout of your main screens and define what information different user groups can access and see on the company or contact card. And then we have SuperOffice AI, which is a brand new functionality that helps you to save time and reduce manual work by automating various business processes. And you don't need extensive knowledge of AI technology to use it. And then we have request handling in mobile CRM. And this feature helps you handle your customers' service requests directly on your mobile device when you're on the go. And with DataBridge, you can exchange information between cloud solutions seamlessly by setting up automatic data transfers that save time, remove manual work, and ensure data quality. We've also done some improvements to our web forms, where you can choose more fields and you can benefit from an improved visual design on rating buttons. You can present your fields in 2 columns. You can do sections or multiple pages. And you can enjoy new ways to publish your web forms. And then we have today's topic, which is a new seamless integration with Microsoft SharePoint. And this is first available in pilot, and we will give you more info on that later in the presentation. Another upcoming feature is sales targets. And you can get a good overview of your important KPIs and set targets such as activity level, sales, and average deal size, so that you can proactively improve your sales efforts. Now, that was a short intro to the new features and improvements to the existing ones in SuperOffice 10. And now let's talk about the new SharePoint integration and how you can get started and manage your documents more effectively. And one of the key benefits of using a CRM solution is to enable everyone in your team to do more. And here at SuperOffice, we've always recognized the importance of helping each individual person to be better equipped to do their job. And by improving an individual's personal productivity, everyone benefits, including your customers. Whether it's by giving access to information faster or easier, helping people remember what to do and when, or save time by automating repetitive tasks, or streamlining processes, and so on. A lot of the core features in SuperOffice have always been around helping each user do more with their time. Time that is better spent on creating valuable and meaningful relationships with partners, prospects, and customers. And technology can do many things, but only humans can build relationships. So you'll find many tools specifically designed to assist your customer-facing users to execute their daily repetitive tasks, increase their productivity, and of course, also seamlessly collaborate with colleagues by easily sharing documents, calendars, emails, projects, and much more. And SuperOffice lets you do this and at the same time offer everyone the all-important 360-degree overview of all ongoing or planned activities and communications with a specific customer in one place. And everyone in your company can access important customer information with just one click. And documents is a huge part of this, whether they are proposals, contracts, specific deals, specs, or important emails. Apart from sensitive documents like those related to HR, you can create and manage all types of documents from SuperOffice. So even if there are other specialist document management and collaboration tools out there, many customers use SuperOffice to create and store documents to benefit from using pre-designed and pre-approved templates that also maintains a consistent look and feel for all correspondence, pre-written letters and proposal templates that are easily and automatically updated with a selected customer's address, contact person, and date with template variables, and automatically link documents to other main CRM entities so that all relevant dialogue, including the written form, is available in one place. Which also makes it easy to find important documents and emails on the company, contact, sale, or project screen, and allow you to share or collaborate further. No need for local copies on your desktop or endless searching through folders on the shared company server. And these features has always been available both for our online customers and those who have SuperOffice installed locally. Every document is saved in SuperOffice, also known as SO Archive, and if you're using the CRM cloud solution, the documents are safely stored and backed up by SuperOffice online. Otherwise, it's stored and managed on your company's server by your IT department or hosting partner. And to use these features with Office apps installed locally, you need to download and install what we call SuperOffice Web Tools and Outlook Mailink. These automatically open documents and emails on your computer where you can edit and then save again back in SuperOffice. But like with any piece of software that requires installation locally, you will from time to time be prompted to upgrade or experience problems with the connection. And that's why we released the Office 365 and Google Workspace apps that connect seamlessly with SuperOffice CRM Online. So that when you've chosen a pure cloud-based Office experience, like Office 365, you can create and collaborate easily online and find all documents in one place. You can sign into SuperOffice CRM using your Office 365 login details, and then open, edit, and store documents in Office 365 directly from SuperOffice CRM without having to think about where to place your documents. You can find them within SuperOffice CRM, but they're safely stored in your online Sharepoint solution. And the SuperOffice for Outlook add-in offers seamless integration with your Office 365 Outlook apps, and it works on any device and lets you view CRM data as well as archive directly from Outlook to SuperOffice. And with nothing to install or to update, it removes the hassle of having an application like our Mailink installed without removing the core feature and benefits, and it's a direct improvement and benefit from working in the cloud. We also plan to offer an Office 365 add-in, which allows users to view and use CRM data in apps such as Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. So for those who are already using or planning to use SharePoint as their document and collaboration tool, and need more flexibility with more advanced document management capabilities, like versioning and use across all departments, even for those that do not use SuperOffice, we can now offer you an easier native integration where you as a customer can select SharePoint Online as the preferred document repository directly from settings and maintenance in SuperOffice CRM. And with the new SharePoint integration, you enable true document collaboration and information sharing across your entire organization. And as a SuperOffice user, you don't have to think about where the documents are located. All documents and emails you write or archive from SuperOffice will be stored in your SharePoint online repository, where you will have total control. And everyone in your company can access these documents, even those who do not use SuperOffice. You will also be able to work together in the same document at the same time, share documents with anyone, and have access to older versions of the document at any time. You can also reduce or remove the IT management and user support related to the integration between your document management system and your CRM solution, because zero footprint application means there's nothing to download, install, or having to help individual users with queries concerning the integration. And now let's dive in and take a look at how it works. Let's start by logging into Settings and Maintenance in SuperOffice CRM. From here, you can now easily set up SharePoint as your preferred document library, and you will find it under Preferences. And as of now, the feature is still in pilot, and you will need to contact us to get access. And later, when the feature is generally available, all online customers will be able to see these options and can configure the document library as I will show you now. If we click Change, you can see we have two options. You can select SuperOffice as your default document library, or you can select Microsoft SharePoint, as you can see here. And please note that the changes will not affect existing documents. Only new documents will be saved in SharePoint if you select this option. And in this case, we've already connected SharePoint, so we can just click Settings instead. And this will open up a new window where you can connect SuperOffice to SharePoint. And to set it up, you need global admin rights in SharePoint to be able to authenticate SuperOffice as a trusted app in your 365 solution. Then you can select where you want to save the SuperOffice documents. Select the site first. Select the document library. And how should the folders be structured? By user group and year, author and year, template type and year, or company name or project name. And then under file name, you can choose by heading or heading and company name. Next, we choose the site and document library for the SuperOffice document templates. And then select if you want to update SharePoint document properties with SuperOffice data, and what kind. It can be document type, company, contact, project, sale, or subject, document date, our reference or your reference, and visible for. And if you press cancel here, the settings for your SuperOffice document library are unchanged. And if you press save, you will get a summary of your selection, and we can apply the changes. Then you will get a confirmation, and the settings only apply to new documents added from now on. So let's see how this works. Let's close the tab and log back into SuperOffice CRM. Now we can create a new document. Click New, choose Document, select a template, select Company and Contact. We can add a sale or project, or both. Then we add a subject and other details. Now click Create. And this opens up the document in Word. And this is the web app, so we can edit and collaborate directly in the browser and see any changes from our team in real time. And here we can also see the pre-designed template, so we don't have to create the document from scratch every time. And the template variables pull data from the company card, fill in the contact name, and other details which is related to the sale. And we can make changes, and the document is automatically saved. And we can now find the document easily on the company card because we linked the document when we created it. We can also find it under Contact, the Sale, or the related project. That way, you and your colleagues will easily find relevant dialogue and important documents available in one place. Now let's see how this looks like in SharePoint. And from here, we can go to SO Archive, which we selected to store our documents. And if you have lots of documents, you can also benefit from the SharePoint features to sort, group, and filter. For example, by the SuperOffice data we selected to update. You can also change views, or you can search directly for the document. And as you can see, we have a mix of folders here. Some are by company name, some are by project, and some by template. And remember, we chose template and year so that the document we just created is saved under quote standard in this case. And further, it's structured by year. Let's open the document. And we can make some changes. And again, it's automatically saved. And if we go back to SuperOffice, we can open the same document again. And here, you see the changes we just made from SharePoint. And this way, you enable true document collaboration and information sharing across your entire organization. So now that we've seen the possibilities with the new integration, there are still more to come. And these are some options that are planned for later versions, like advanced data access options, where you can set visible for. And then we've planned some tools to migrate existing documents in SuperOffice Archive in the cloud to SharePoint. Today, this is offered as a paid service and it's not automated. And a little later, we plan to release the Microsoft 365 add-in, which allows users to view and use CRM data in apps such as Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. And now to the question on how you can get started. You can get early access now by joining our pilot program. So people who would like to test this new feature can contact us and sign up. And pilot programs give CRM Online customers early access to new features and releases before general release. And the feedback helps us identify issues, fix them, and make the software even better. And the pilot programs vary in length and scope depending upon what software needs testing. And because the pilot version tested in your production environment will affect all users, it needs to be a decision that is taken in agreement with IT or management and not just by individual users. And you will also need a SuperOffice Online subscription and a Microsoft 365 for Business subscription. And you will also need to sign in with Microsoft in SuperOffice Online. And also note that the responsibility of backing up documents will shift from SuperOffice to SharePoint. Therefore, it's recommended that you check if the Microsoft backup and recovery plan is sufficient. And backup is set to every 12 hours and data is retained for 14 days. There are also third-party services and tools available if you require more frequent backups. And you can learn more about the SharePoint integration on our website, where you will also find FAQs and other current pilot programs you can join. And as always, your SuperOffice representative is more than happy to provide you with more information and to help you get started. To sum up, with the Sharepoint integration, you can run SuperOffice as a SaaS solution without any need of locally installed software on a client computer. So there's no need to deploy web tools to users. You enable true document collaboration, and all Microsoft 365 features are available as normal. And you will be able to work together in the same document at the same time. You'll be able to share documents with anyone and have access to older versions of the document at any time. And you will get a better user experience. As a SuperOffice user, you don't have to think about where the documents are located. You can make SuperOffice documents available as any other document in SharePoint, and sharing, revision history, and other MS 365 features are made available. And you can work with SuperOffice documents from any device, even from your tablet or mobile. Now, if you're ready to get started, please check the information on our pilot program page. You can access it by going to customer section on community.superoffice.com, and under news, you will find a link to our pilot programs. And of course, you can find more great content about SuperOffice and how to maximize the value of your solution. You can check out our blog, learn the essentials on community, or join more of our webinars. And you can always view this presentation again or share it with your colleagues. The webcast will be uploaded on our YouTube channel and website. In addition, your SuperOffice sales contact or partner will be available to answer any additional questions you might have. And that's all we have for now. Thank you for following along, and we hope you're ready to improve productivity and collaboration with SuperOffice CRM and SharePoint. I wish you all a super day.